It seemed neat and it seemed frightening because the liabilities for managing the fund seemed pretty enormous, and I don't have that scale of assets, but it seemed like a fascinating public service. There were 11 people killed in this disaster and many hundreds of thousands of people affected in ways that were quite traumatic. Our main role in remembering that was to make sure, our primary job was to make sure the money was there. That no matter what happened to BP as a corporation or to the Gulf of Mexico, hurricanes, a collapse in the price of oil, challenge with refineries, no matter what happened, the 20 billion would all be there and be available. Judge Martin and I have completed the process of working with BP to get all the $20 billion in. So they paid the last money in more than a year early in November. We're pretty proud though of what the minor role we played, because when the Exxon Valdez ran aground in Prince William Sound, it was 10 years before almost anyone received anything. I am chair of the current accrediting body for law schools in the United States. Legal education has a black eye because at the moment there are many who distrust information given by law schools, and that slops over into distrust of lawyers and the legal profession. And so this black eye is a really corrosive thing, and it's bad for everybody. So I just think it's really important that confidence be restored, that if a law school claims something is true, people can be confident somebody is sure it is true. I teach negotiation currently to first-year students in law school. We have all our first-year students take negotiation now. And I have been teaching negotiation as well to our upper-level students and students in other parts of the university. In recent years, I've also taught civil procedure. An administrator tends to get isolated from what really matters unless you kind of see it in your face every day. And nothing tells me what's more important more than having a student push me with a tough question. I like making a difference, and I like the difference to be defined by people who need it rather than by myself.